guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye, enjoy the video. So, you know, there is a time for emotion, then there's a time when you gotta be about it, right? Let's see, table talk. Hey there, how are you? Glad to see you too. Welcome. What, Elder Peggy Johnson? Hey, nice to have you with us. So what state are you in? What state are you in? Welcome everybody. I see we got some new people. So we're just talking about how we get paid as notaries. Jeffrey and I, he was leaving you some tips. And, you know, that's it. Nothing major. Let me tell you a little bit about mentorship while I wait on a few of your questions really quick. Hey Martha, how are you? So we do have the $27 plan now back. A lot of people have asked me, Kimmi, you mean really we can join your mentorship program for $27? Yes, you can. And you can kind of thank Jeffrey for that. Jeffrey and a few other people. Thank you, Jeffrey.
No.
Because I had a few people reach out and say, hey, I wanted to join the mentorship, but I can't afford $47, but I really want to be in your atmosphere. Okay. But then there are other people saying, I really want to join a mentorship, but I want to be in everything. So that's $47 per month. So I listened to the majority, which was they wanted to be in $47. But then I found out when we rolled out to $27, everybody was like, oh, wait a minute, I can still come to every live session. So take your time and read the description. I think that's what's missing. People aren't reading the description. So yes, every to the live sessions, and it includes something else, the $27 program. So just read the descriptions at notaryeducators.com. My nose is just itching. I have very bad allergies, and if you saw yesterday, we went to this house and it had dogs, and I promise you I had dog hair in my throat. I promise you, and ever since then my allergies have been on 100. Now I don't know if some of it could be acid because I ate some cookies last night. I don't know. Martha says, doing well, thank you. Hope y'all, I like that yellow. Oh, thank you, girl. This is my little Amazon shirt. I love this shirt. I may have worn it one other time, but I love this shirt. It's so comfortable. It's almost like, it's like a t-shirt material. And look at the sleeves on it. It came from Amazon. So I actually love this so much. And it's so comfortable that I bought it in this color. I bought like a green color, and I bought two white. Because the white, you know, you get one little drop of something on white, it goes bad. What are we eating right quick? I kind of want a biscuit. Bojangles. What you want? You want? I don't want McDonald's, y'all. I don't really want McDonald's. Why don't you get that? I'll grab you a breakfast sandwich if that's what you want. Because I don't want McDonald's. Yeah, get you McDonald's and I'll get a breakfast sandwich. I hate to go to two places, but I just do not want McDonald's today. I'm really trying to get back on my healthy journey. And I've been walking again. And even when I go to Bojangles, I want a biscuit sandwich. So, but I just don't want McDonald's today. I just really don't think I want all that. So I've been getting back on track. I think I'm giving up coffee for at least a month or two. I'm trying. I love to walk with a cup of coffee. I love to just hold the cup and the smell of it and the whole experience. I do. It's something that me and Jeffrey do together. We usually have us a cup of coffee while we're out here. We'll stop at racetrack. And isn't that our little thing?
That's our little thing.
It is. So we like to stop and have racetrack or Circle K. If you know, you know. People sleeping on Circle K, y'all. We found out about Circle K last year when we took a trip, and we became addicted to Circle K. I mean, I love me some Circle K coffee, and I like Racetrack. Chick-fil-A coffee is just too strong. The acid, oh my goodness. Okay, so anyway, we talked about apostilles, we talked about loan signing. What other jobs do we do? All your general notary work, your proctoring and all that, we get paid up front. I think that's gonna be it. How do we get paid? Let's go over that really quick. The actual check. So sometimes you get a check, sometimes you get an e-check. So if somebody said they pay you by e-check, it's not a scam. It's not a scam. They send you the check and you have to mobilely deposit it. That's not a word, mobilely. But you have to deposit via your mobile phone. All right, what questions do we have? Anything else? So check out the mentorship program. You know, we have the journals, we have the books. Just take your time if you're new with us. Play around with the website. That's what I always tell people. The descriptions are very clear. We don't need to have a phone conversation for you to choose which membership you want to be a part of. Sometimes people are like, well, can I call you? I need to talk to you. No, not really. We can talk in mentorship. Because again, it's really self-explanatory, the two options that you have, either the simplified plan or the all-inclusive. Either way, you get to talk to me every week. So, well, just about. Alexis does some of our training, but I'm typically there. I like to, just hang out with everybody. So what other questions do we have? What other questions? Anything else? If not, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. I see we got a few new people. I was going to hang out with y'all a few more minutes. I know we got something going on over in chat. Somebody had an assignment this morning. So I'm going to go see what's going on over in our group chat. The police are everywhere this morning. But they always are. It's nothing new. They always are. I'm glad they are, though. I'm glad they are. They serve as a protection. So, yeah, I'm glad they are. They're everywhere, though. Certain states, they don't be playing, honey. All right, no more comments, questions? Okay. Well, we're going to get out of here. Just wanted to hop on for a few minutes and, again, talk about how we receive payment. All things notary. Check out notaryeducators.com, okay? I hope you guys have an amazing day out there. Bye. Oh, you can say bye, Jeff.
Bye, people.
Bye-bye.